Okay, we're going to do a legendary Devout. 10 Wastelanders. Devon. Claymore. Bounty Hunter. Now, what we got to remember, 3 hours, 28 minutes. I've been doing this for quite a while, so they're a little bit damaged. Let's see what happens when we do one. All right, they're on their way. The last 5 bases, they have taken no additional damage. Who knows what will happen? But here's one way to do it, and you get very little damage. He's on his way. He's almost there. All right, let's take it out. All right, first thing we do, we're going to bring in the bounty hunter. And he's going to build us a little bit of a protection. Get rid of him. We'll bring in the Devon so that they'll attack him and not the bounty hunter. We'll bring in Wastelanders to help kill whatever comes through. All right, now we're going to bring in the basically want to get rid of these 3 production depots. Now we're just going to let him do his thing. And while he's doing his thing, we're going to clear most of the base with the 10 Wastelanders. And he's just going to go around and kill all these guys. You don't have to do anything. Just leave him. Just let him go. Must be some kind of kickside glitch or something. I don't know. But come on. Shoot. There's a little guy back there that you got to shoot. But right now they're all worried about the Claymore. So they're all shooting at the Claymore. Oh, we got one coming after us. Not a problem. But get rid of him. There, he's gone. Wastelanders don't get much damage. Now let's take out. There you go. Basically, the Wastelanders are just going to kill all the buildings. Because your Claymore is going to kill all the troops. And if it's been like it has been the last 5 times I did it, he gets no damage. And my bounty hunter, like I said, when I started, they were both damaged. Let's see how much damage they take in addition. All right, that's it. You're gone. Now we're just on the Claymore. So we're just going to take him, and he's more effective. These guys won't come out, so you got to go in and get them out. Okay, that bunker's empty. All right, they're out. Now I'm just going to take out everything in the base except for the Devouts or legendary Devouts. Now there's 2 things you don't want to kill. Don't kill that and don't kill that, because they are full of troops and they can't wait to get you. over here. We basically want to get all of the legendary Devouts out of the turrets. And if you just damage him a little bit, when he comes back, he'll kill him much quicker. So damage them all just a little bit. Come on, get him out of there. Damage him just a little bit. All he's doing right now is he's taking out all the other things because pretty soon, there. Okay, come on. Right, now, oh, he did take some damage. Now, he's just going to go around and kill everybody. And you're done. 9 minutes. So what we're going to do with these guys, we don't need them anymore. We're just going to retreat them. And the Claymore is just going to go around and kill all the legendary Devouts. And he should get very little additional damage. I didn't put him on aggressive. I didn't put him on Ruby. I just put him in there and left him. He's just going to go around and kill all of them. And then the last two things we do is we kill that, we kill that. In fact, I'm going to try something. I haven't tried this before. Rather than kill all these guys, I'm going to see if I can just kill this and this and see if it'll give me the victory. Usually, okay, I still got to get rid of all these guys. Yeah. So I don't normally do it that way. So these guys now want to kill me. So I will take damage. I should have waited. All right. Now he's just killing. Normally I save those two for last, but I figured I'd try something different. As soon as he kills those soldiers, that's it. The legendary Devout. And right now you don't have to do anything. He just goes after him himself. Just sit back, relax, watch the timer go down. This is the first time I killed these two. Normally I kill all of the Devout. They kill these two. The base is over. And you don't have to do anything. He's doing this all by himself. Why don't you kill a Devout? Yeah, that's a good idea. I guess I'll kill a Devout. Very inefficient. Runs from one side to the other rather than kill the guy right beside him. I'm going to make him come down here next. Wait, is there one right? Yeah, okay. Kill this one. Don't run back and forth. Kill whatever you see. Anyways, it's just that easy. Yeah, this is taking longer because I killed those two things first, but that's all right. It's very easy. It's hard to mess up. Come here. Oh, victory. Okay, there you go. So let's see how much damage we ended up with. Whoa, look at that. Level 51. That's all right. We'll take it. All right, how much damage we got? We will take out these two guys, because they're the ones that were damaged. 10 minutes, which isn't 10 minutes, because we'll just repair them instantly. And once we repair these guys, we'll know exactly how much damage was taken in that base. All right, put them back in. Put the Claymore back in. Put the Bounty Hunter back in. 3 hours, no damage. We started with 327. We ended with 327. So go, do the same thing.